If you're a Mastercam Multiaxis programmer, we added additional options and features to our unified toolpath in Mastercam 2027. This gives users additional control over their cut pattern and tool motion. Let's take a look at what's new. Depending on your machining geometry, there may be times where multiple curves are desired to control cut pattern propagation. Now in Mastercam 2027, the Guide Morph cut pattern allows as many curves as a user needs to dial in their cut pattern. Previously, only 2 guide curves were allowed for blending tool motion. Being able to stay in cut within one toolpath saves users some time by not requiring additional toolpaths to fully machine the geometry. Additionally, Guide Morph and Automatic Morph has a new advanced parameter to smooth motion between the user-defined guide curves. In certain cases, the resultant cut motion may have some sharp transitions that can be detrimental to surface finish and consistency. Enabling this option will automatically create intermediate curves behind the scenes to clean up these transition areas. All guide cut patterns also now support part awareness within the cut pattern page. The entire machining model can now be defined outside of the selected machining area. From here, Unified will automatically trim any collision of the tool against the rest of the part geometry. This will save users some time by not needing to utilize a collision control strategy to check against additional avoidance geometry. Additional tool axis control options are now available in Unified's wireframe cut pattern. Previously, we were limited to adjusting the tool axis control via orientation lines. This required users to leave the unified interface and manually create and manipulate geometry for the tool axis control. We added tool axis control options seen with other cut patterns for users to have precise control over their motion. With Mastercam 2027, Unified continues to be a robust and all-in-one solution for multi-axis motion. These new controls allow users to generate accurate and smooth toolpath motion faster than ever. Try it out today.